They're so expensive, so I was just wondering. I'm just trying to find.
What's going on in here?
Breakfast!
How's it going, guys? What are we doing here today? What are we doing?
Well, we're cooking breakfast, first of all.
But where are we?
We're in Ohio. Park Lane, actually. It's a small little town outside of Dayton. Cooking breakfast.
Cooking breakfast. Today's agenda is breakfast, Jags, and then
Motor drop off.
yeah, we're gonna
Engine block drop off.
we're gonna be dropping off my motor block. Motor block.
Motor block!
We're gonna be dropping off my engine to a guy I met on the Z pages named Benjamin. He's gonna be having his machinist do all the work for me. But yeah, we're gonna finish up this breakfast and we'll be back.
Bye.
Shit, think it's hot.
Should be speaking a little louder, mister. Okay, I guess we're going out.
Need that, yeah. Okay, one second, guys.
Hi, Austin. Oop, that didn't close. Whatever. I'll go later. I want to take that. It's facing this way. Can I show that? Huh? Can I show that? Yeah. Oh, that's nice. That's good. No, it's on that side. What year is it?
The Supra, 98, I think, 97 or 98.
Oh, so the expensive ones.
They're fun to clean the entire engines up, dude.
I was tearing it apart and I was like, why did they use so much? We were trying to get the front cover off.
Yeah.
That was a bitch.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. There's a few specific points where it's gonna get a nice screwdriver. I work with I have a small pry bar and one larger screwdriver, and if you work the 2 points together, you can work off the balance. Yeah, they're fun to go through and clean the entire engines up. A lot of them I have to go through and change the threads and stuff on the
That is.
holes because the gasket pushes itself into the.
So not that. I can't.
Well, I mean, we'll talk about what we need.
I'm just making sure.
I mean, the
I just
car,
want
the
this
car
short
itself,
front
the car itself, absolutely. But
Is
like,
anything under?
If we're talking about like engine specifics and stuff
No,
like that,
I can show it off then.
okay. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know I could show this off. I want to make sure.
We totally understand the whole.
The engine itself.
You want the tire?
This thing is fucking gorgeous. Oh, all this. The two cars right here? Hell yeah. I've been having with this stuff. Even with the Supra, I was like, oh hell yeah. But I did not look at the front end of this car really, and all of a sudden I saw that, and I was like, ooh.
Dude, the caliper clearance is like half a pinky.
Yeah.
This guy was at Z Nationals with us a couple years ago.
Okay. That's how you guys met him?
Yeah.
You guys, okay.
So we drove many miles, basically just to hang out for a few minutes and drop some stuff off. Awesome guy. He's got some great projects. Obviously, we can't go through specifics because he's got his stuff. So yeah, but definitely nice fat tires.
That's ceramic coated right there.
Yes. Ceramic coat is better for the heat. Because on turbos, it's good to keep the heat in too. And it keeps bay temperatures down.
Yeah, I was already looking at it.
Is that a timing actuator? I'm not going to get too close to it because I don't know what.
You said it was fine, I already asked.
Okay.
I don't know. This is the harmonic balancer I want to get.
Yep. Super dampener? Is that what it is?
It should be the ATI or whatever it is.
Oh, that's a Titan.
Oh, wow.
Is that a Titan Motorsports?
Yeah. Some good shit then.
I like these engine bags. We should have bought a couple. I should have bought a couple of these when we were at Jegs earlier.
This carbon fiber, it's billet. Billet.
Oh my god, yeah.
Oh, the intake with
Yeah.
carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that is nuts.
Lightweight.
How big that is.
Yeah, it's slightly larger than mine.
Yeah.
Not by much though. Is this
VQ probably.
yeah.
Yeah, I got it. I got the. Unless you guys have anything else, as always, guys, don't forget to like,
Comment.
Subscribe.
ring that bell.
See y'all later.
Have a good one.
All right. It's recording? Oh, it's recording. Okay. We thought we were done with the video, but we're not. Getting back from a trip from Ohio. We're back in Wisconsin. It is so cold. And we just had to jumpstart his car because it's
long and cold.
yes, and it's
Batteries
pretty
pissed.
cold here. Pretty cold. Yeah, the battery's pretty pissed.
The Audi sounds good though.
Yeah, cold start on the Audi.
Uh-huh.
Maybe we'll get in a video. We're not really one for like cold starts, but
That sounds good.
we did get some parts here for the.
Oh, you did? What are these, planters? Look at that, you got some planters. Not sponsored. They always say it, so it's just funny to do it.
This knife.
Come on, that's a great knife. Look at that. Oh, just pare it open with that paring knife. Look at him struggle. That's a white man struggle. Ooh, there he goes, muscle. Ooh.
Well, that was easier than a knife.
What are these?
These are motor mounts
Oh,
for the
okay.
Integra.
Oh, nice.
It's just fancy boxing. Oh, nice.
Ooh, those are like billet.
They are billet.
Oh, nice.
So that's the driver's side top.
Look like a bunch of watches almost.
Right?
You
That's what
know?
I was kind of thinking. Like, did we get a sponsor and not know it?
Yeah,
That'd be
right?
great. Hints, you know.
Seriously.
This tranny mount, I think.
Wow.
Did you say?
No. Nice though, look at that.
Yeah, and these weren't expensive.
Oh, how much?
140.
That's not bad at all, man.
It was like 148 shipped.
Pretty nice, huh? I
Oh,
think
yeah.
so.
No, this is the tranny. That's the rear. The one that goes on the cross member.
I didn't know you were into trannies, but okay, whatever.
Yeah.
Whatever you like. We don't judge.
Sometimes, yeah, you don't judge. So
Ah, very nice.
New videos coming.
Oh, heck yeah.
Bunch of new videos, new content, and some sweet rides. Some sweet rides. We got maybe some interviews coming up. Maybe.
And we're not just about building cars and everything like that. We want to showcase more of, you know, I guess Wisconsin has to offer. Obviously, a lot of shows that are out there. One thing we're gunning for that you've already heard, you know, about the Z Days, but also a lot of shows around here. There's a really nice Nissan event that's happening out at Elkhart Lake this summer.
Road America.
Yeah, can't wait. That's our backyard, which is nice. But yeah, there's some nice Teggy mounts.
Yeah, they are nice.
Anything else?
Nope, that's it. That's going to be finally it for this video.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm tired. I'm ready for bed.
Me too.
It's 1 o'clock. What, 1:30? No, holy shit.
1:45.
Almost 2. We're ready for bed.
Peace out, guys.
Later, man.